Say, peekaboo, mommy, I love you. All right, go on up over there. You ready? Use your imagination. What could you pretend these are? What could these be? We're going to jump over them. They could be what? Jumpers. They could be. It could be hedges or grass or. What could this be? Red grass. Oh yes, yeah. House of love. House of love. Yes. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. On your head. How many jumpers do I have? 7. How many? 7. And if you could make up different jumps, I would like that. You could do. You could do a pencil jump. Say pencil jump. Pencil jump. You could do a tuck jump. You could do a scissor kick. You could do a star jump. You could do a jeté. What else could you do? Jump, turn around. And what else could you do? Meow. Okay. Then you're going to do 2 big jumps around. Then I'm going to turn this into what? A big what? How do I do that? Remember my magic card? I have a big magic card at the Joy House. Say, I love you. Say, I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy. I love you, my teachers. I love my brothers and sisters and all my family. Okay. 2 big jetés. What is a jeté? What is a jeté? Look. Run. Jump. Jump. Okay? But I want splits in the air. I have a bad hip and a bad knee, so Miss Joy can't get the splits up. One day soon, listen. Soon I'll have the best dancers teaching you, showing you what it's supposed to look like. Miss Joy's got to do the best. Okay, I'll have the best of the best. Okay. Okay, so you're going to do star jump. Star jump. Roll through the magic. This should be a heart. This would be great if it was a heart, wouldn't it? Dive through the heart. How many jumps are you doing? 7. How many big jetés are you doing? 7. You go first. And remember, if you try, you might get a what? But you have to try. Okay? Try. It doesn't come for free. It does not come for free. You have to work. Who's going to work hard? Natalia, let it go. And your legs have to be up like this. Up like, legs up like this. Up there. Okay? Up there like that. Okay, let's see who's listening. Luna. Everyone's gonna get a break, guys.
It's okay.
Remind me next week, I want to do Dynamite as the party song, okay? Who's going to remind Miss Joy about Dynamite? We're going to do that next week.
Let her go, Lena.
Who likes Dynamite? Who likes the song Dynamite? Who likes BTS? Okay, we'll do that next week.
Don't push her.
Anyone want to come to my house?
And all I can say, shh, you're not listening. The best way to get a trophy is to learn to follow your heart. Find something you love to do. Shh, you're not listening. No, something you love to do, like dancing, football, soccer, swimming, diving, gymnastics, baseball, gymnastics, okay? You find something you love to do, and you want. I'm trying to teach you something very important. Everyone say, follow your heart. Do what you love. Work real hard. And never, ever, ever, ever give up. I can see who's listening.
Okay, everyone. Miss Joy wants to know what makes you happy. Shut the water outside. Go inside. And feel. And you will. Yes, you will. Find the joy. Find the joy. Find the joy.
do lots of things. How do you find your joy? By finding your passion, by helping people, by giving, by learning. Sit down, listen. Sing it. Find your joy. Sing it. Find your joy. Sing it. Find your joy. 'Cause if you keep believing,